Hi, I'm Julie Beneke, and I'm a realtor with Alliance Team Realty. And a question that I get a lot from my sellers is, am I in the right house? And what I mean by that is, has their lifestyle changed since they first bought their house? Now, many of the clients that I work with, they've been in their house for 30, 40, or maybe even 50 years, and a lot has changed. They've raised their kids in that house, they've done all kinds of things, lots of decorating, etc., lots of parties, but things are different now. One of the things that they look at is the livability of that house. And what I mean by that is, a lot of them don't want to do stairs anymore, and a lot of the houses have stairs. The other is maintenance. They don't want to cut grass anymore, and they don't want to shovel any snow. And the last thing is, they want to be close to family. They may have grandkids that have moved to a different part of the city, and it's just not convenient because everybody's busy. So when I talk to my clients, those are the things that we talk about. Is it time to change houses and to get a house that fits your lifestyle better? It might be one-level living, a one-level townhouse, or maybe a condo. Maybe you're a snowbird. You don't want to be here in the winter anymore, and you want to be able to have that peace of mind to just leave and go, and then come back hopefully when the snow is gone in the spring. Anyway, if this is you, I would love the opportunity to speak with you, because so many of my clients now, they find they're in the wrong house. But there are many, many great houses out there that could be the right house for you. So I'd love to sit down with you, answer any questions you have, and hopefully find the right house for you. Thanks so much for watching.